All right, welcome back to Two Stupid Guys Trade Stocks. I'm Vinny,
I'm Dylan.
and this is our next episode 3 of our stimulus check challenge. Dylan has told me that he pulled ahead. I don't really know the details yet, though, but he told me he pulled ahead. Check out our swing trade video for the week because he talked about it a little bit in there. If you guys enjoy entertaining like stock market kind of content, consider giving us a like and subscribe below and follow along with us on this little challenge as we try to compete with each other and see who can grow a stimulus check the largest amount in like 1 year's time.
Yeah, and we have a couple users doing this with us too, which is awesome.
Yeah.
The Darth guy, I'm excited to see what they're at.
Yeah, there's actually a program we could consider using at some point in time to have a challenge where we can all kind of like show our portfolios within it. Adam over at New Money has talked about it. I guess he's deploying that on his channel. I'm sorry, not New Money, In the Money, the options guy.
Got it.
Yeah. All right. So these are my positions as of the end of this month. As you can see now, I have a couple of call options in here. I'm trying the poor man's covered call strategy. We're going to do a separate video on what that entails, but basically I have 2 long options, AT&T $28 call and this Bank of America $37 call. And against those, I have sold a Bank of America $44 call and a AT&T $30.50 call. The idea being I will collect some premium there as the short calls expire and the long calls are all expiring in January, so I have a longer time period to continue holding those, and they're in the money. And then I also still have some shares in this account. This Magna International, kind of an EV profitable company play, Boeing, AbbVie pharmaceutical company, and then Freeport McMoran is a copper miner. So this is where I closed the month, 1446.21. It's roughly flat with where I closed the previous month. As you can kind of see here, though, once I started doing the options, that my account volatility definitely picked up a little bit.
Oh yeah,
yeah. That's options for you. They're a levered instrument, so they make your good days really good days and your bad days really good days. I had a kind of intra-month high of about $1,500 in this account. But unfortunately was not able to hold that. I was actually during, I think, this week as well, so it was pretty recent. And a couple of these positions I just sold, so I have about $100 in cash sitting in there that I haven't deployed yet. These are Dylan's positions.
These are mine. So these are the moves I made this month. I talked about in the swing video, but I noticed an ascending triangle forming on the Palantir chart. So I decided, I don't know why I'm buying shares. I might as well be as risky as possible, right? So I sold my shares. I bought $26 calls, expiring November. I then took a bunch of profit. I sold 5 of my Fubos at actually relatively near the top, and 1 call. And then I had like 3 shares of AMC because I had like $90 left in buying power. And then I sold exactly where I bought it at because it came right back down. So.
So it sounds like that's what happens when you get involved in one of these meme trades still.
Yeah, I was hoping for like 500. I was like, yeah, whatever. I got $90 in buying power.
Yeah, it happens to us all. Is the Palantir call 26? Is that in the money?
No.
So this is out of the money option that you purchased.
Yeah.
Okay. Jesus Christ. That's insane. You're literally your out of the money options are worth that much. When are they? Oh, they expire in November. Okay. Okay. I can see some value there then. That's a fair amount of time for them for Palantir to hit 26.
Exactly.
Yeah.
So yeah, I did 26 because that was their high on the resistance side on the chart. I'm still at 50% gain. I sold at 95% gain because I got antsy and it looked like it was going down. So I sold 1 call. I sold 5 shares of Fubo. I'm actually sitting on $570 cash.
Nice.
And I don't know what I'm going to do with that yet.
I love it.
But yeah, if you here, go to the next slide for me. So 1726. I was holding Fubo and Palantir for like the longest time just in shares because I was just my original plan was I was just gonna ride that out for the whole year and not make any moves and try to win. Yeah. And then I got really bored. And also my account went from 1,400 to like 11. I was like, this isn't working.
Yeah.
So I bought that options right before that cool bar. I was actually at $1,950 before that went up, and then it lost.
Yeah. Yeah, should be fun. I mean, it's high risk, high reward, that's for sure. Like, I mean, I've never traded the poor man's covered call either before, so I'm still kind of like learning in that. But when I've read it, kind of makes sense for a small account to grow that way. But obviously, your strategy, when you're correct, is going to be much more lucrative.
When I'm correct.
Yes.
Yes.
Exactly. That's the trade off you make there. But yeah, so Dylan pulled way ahead over here.
I did.
I love it.
I was down 4%. We should have kept like our by month.
Yeah, we can do that going forward. Yeah, for sure.
Yeah. So that's where we're at. I don't know why. I don't know how Webull works. By the way, I hate this app. I hate it. I never want to use this again. This is the worst app.
Look, we're gonna do a comparison video between Robinhood and Webull.
I've been taking photos of all the errors I'm getting. I'm ready for that video.
Really? Nice.
Yes.
Yeah, I've had some interesting ones with Robinhood. I'm not really a big fan. I'm Schwab is my main trading account, and I'm happy that my main trading account is in Schwab. Put it that way so far.
I love Robinhood.
Yeah.
I don't know why my P&L says 257 on one page, and then my open P&L is 237. No idea why. Yeah. So I put both numbers in. I don't know what they mean.
That sounds about right.
Yeah.
All right, guys. Well, thanks for tuning in. If you're following along with us, let us know down below how you guys are doing. We're curious. Hey, the beautiful thing is we're both in the green, I guess, at least. I have to give myself some sort of credit here.
I'm either going to double my money next month or the competition's over. Because I'm out.
Yeah, we'll see. We'll see. I don't know. My strategy is not that high risk, high reward kind of strategy. So
mine is.
Yeah, I know. You never know, man. I guess maybe I'll just buy some AMC weekly calls or something like that,
Could do that. They're very expensive. I looked into that. Couldn't afford them.
Yeah, I know they're expensive.
They opened $49 calls on Friday. I was tempted.
I love it. All right, guys. Well, we'll see you on the next one.
Later.